Good morning and welcome back to the end of the year celebrations. You are invited to join us, the Sophisticated Ladies Club, in the Festival of Trees. Our host for the month of December is our own Miss Santa Claus, Tammy Thompson from Tammy Thompson TV MG. She would like for us to kindly decorate trees that you wish to showcase. You don't have to do a DIY. We just like to see the trees, do a tour. If your tree has a theme, please let us know in the video. And kindly use YouTube etiquette. Kindly be subscribed to all the members of the Sophisticated Ladies Club. Please have our links in your description box, and we cannot wait to see what fabulous decor you bring. You can use any design or decor that represents your channel. The date is December the 18th, 2021 at 7 p.m. And we are using the hashtag SLC Festival of Trees 21 and use that for your title as well. I want to thank you all that have participated in all of our events over the years. We look forward to seeing all the fabulous designs and creations, and I hope that you have a blessed, happy holidays. Now, this will repeat so you can be able to write down all the information, and it also will be down in my description box. Please double check all of our community tabs. Myself, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Tammy Thompson from Tammy Thompson TV MG. Miss Robin at Robin Table Talk with Robin. And Lovemybabiesforever, Miss Tamara. And the lovely Miss Penny at Miss Penny's Place. So we cannot wait to see what you come up with. And y'all take care. And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Bye-bye.